Hi guys, happy Halloween to all our crypto friends. I'm Laura, and it's great to stream with all and surprise like 5 p.m. Singapore on Halloween. So due to a global time difference, which at 5 p.m. on Friday and at 4 p.m. on Saturday. So this is mainly to allow us to connect and exchange ideas with traders from around the world. We also understand that timing isn't perfect for everyone. So each live stream will be replayed in its entire on YouTube or in Twitter platform for your convenience. So as a customer in our live stream, feel free to leave any questions in the comments section, whether it's about something like account operation or trading strategies or platform rules. We welcome them all. And at the end of the live stream, we will have a dedicated FAQ session to provide clear answer to all your questions. So ensuring everyone's voice is heard. And of course, there is a giveaway that everyone's been waiting for to thank everyone for your continued support. And also, like, we've arranged 2 rounds of amazing giveaways in the live stream as usual. So the first round begin after the market analysis, giving away 30,000 short-term trading accounts, and the second round will be at the end of the live stream, and also give away 30,000 short-term challenge accounts. So participating is super duper easy. You just need to simply leave any comment in the comment section to automatically qualify for the draw, and that's it. So, and thank you so much for your sincere discussions. The path of trading is inherently full of unknowns and challenges, so which is precisely why our weekly gatherings are so meaningful. And this week we have 3 main topics. First topic is about how to claim our free account and our exciting Christmas promotion. And the second one is about market analysis. The last one also is a FAQ session at the end. And let's go to the first things everyone's most increased and about like everyone interested in about how to claim our free trading account. So we firmly believe that all traders should be given a zero-cost opportunity to start their business, and therefore our free account program will continue indefinitely. And so how exactly do you claim it? Well, it's very, very simple. You just need 2 steps. And the first one is step 1, verify your mobile phone number. That's the first one. And the second step, enter a valid redemption code, and also known as codes. So the process is simple, right? And but the key is where to get this code. So don't worry, I've explained the most I will complain the most comprehensive list of ways to obtain it, and one of them is sure to suit you. First, method one is follow our official monthly codes. And this is our most stable and core distribution channel. And every month we released a free redemption code on our official website and official community. Also on social media platforms like YouTube or like Twitter. And this code usually has a limited number of uses. So those who see the announcement must be quick. First come, first served. And then the second method is follow our partner KOLs and collaborators. So we have in-depth partnership with many outstanding KOLs, so key opinion leaders, it's also called, and the communities in the trading field. This partner also have exclusive redemption code player privilege. So follow your favorite traders who partner with us and participate in their live stream, and read their articles, and you might just discover our hidden perks. And here's a special point to emphasize to ensure absolute fairness and allow more traders to enjoy this opportunity. We strictly stipulate that each user can only successfully claim a free account once, and that the system will conduct rigorous checks. So please cherish this valuable opportunity and use it seriously to begin your challenge. And I know that we've talked about free buys, and let's get even more exciting. So today is Halloween. So we've launched a game on our community and social media platform. Participants can have a chance to win prizes. And the first up is our first and more accessible yet incredible fun activity, the Halloween Bitcoin Daily Prediction Challenge. It's called Halloween Bitcoin Daily Prediction Challenge. And so the core gameplay is super duper simple. You only need to do one thing: predict whether Bitcoin's closing price will rise or fall each day. There are specific rules are as follows. For example, like today is Halloween, so October 31st. So predict the closing price on October 31st versus so the closing price on October 13th. And on our activity page, you will see two very fitting buttons. First is treat rise. It's choosing this means you believe Bitcoin will give our candy today. And the second is trick fall. Choosing this means you believe the market will play a prank. And the time is crucial. Just don't miss it. So daily voting deadline before 21 UTC plus 8 p.m. on the same day. And after this time, the prediction channel will close. And the results will be announced based on the OKX spot closing price at 23:59 p.m. on the same day. Fair, just, and transparent. So if your prediction is correct on the day of your prediction, so you'll immediately receive 1,000 points. So this means that if you're right for 3 consecutive days, you can earn a whopping 3,000 points, and those points can be redeemed for all sorts of great items in our store. So, friends, this event is just like particularly practically free, so you requiring only a little market intuition and luck. So head over to our community event page now, vote and claim your first Halloween points rewards. Okay, and enough with the fun little game, let's get serious. The second event is our super prize event. So on the Twitter, formerly like social media platform, the prize pool is a whopping 5 trading accounts worth 100,000 USDT. And that's right, 100,000 USDT accounts, 5 in total. So how to participate? It's super simple. Just complete any one of the following tasks. Task 1 is trade Bitcoin. So during the event period, trade Bitcoin with your account. And this is task 1. And task 2 is trade during the day in the K-time window from October 31st to November 1st. And this is task 2. The last one, task 3, is achieve a daily profit target of 2%. So in other words, you don't need to complete all the tasks, just completing any one of them qualified. So you to participate, just to choose one. For example, even you only trade on Bitcoin, like transaction on Halloween, or you to participate, for example, even if you only trade on Bitcoin, so or achieve a 2% profit in a single day, you can enter the draw. That's it. It's super duper easy, and completely any one of the tasks, go to the comment section of our official Twitter event posts and reply with a screenshot of your transaction as proof, and you will be entered into the grand prize pool to win and become one of the lucky winners. So friends, this is a really opportunity to open $1 million account. Just a few clicks, a screenshot, and you could be the next chosen one. So, and the link to the specific event post is in the live stream announcement section. So don't miss this biggest treat. So the final activity is for our investors. There's more than just candlesticks. It can be a canvas for art. So activity details is reading, chart, makeup contest, unleash your imagination and use the drawing and other features on your trading software to give your chart a Halloween makeover. And you can draw a double top as a pumpkin head, a moving average crossover as a switch button, and or like decorate the entire trading range as a haunted castle. It's all up to you. So just by choosing, you just need to choose. And the judging and rewards is screenshot your creative work and posting it on our Twitter platform or in the community Discord comment section, and we will select the top 2 most creative entire based on the number of likes received in the comments. So the winners will each receive a classic 5,000 USDT capital account. And so as you know, this is a great opportunity to showcase your personality and sense of humor. So Let the world see that traders can do more than just analyze. They can also have fun. So we look forward to seeing your amazing creations. And before moving on the next model, we will have our first giveaway round. Those watching a live stream, please participate in the comment section and we will randomly select participants. And those who are watching a live stream, please don't participate, as only like those watching a live stream are eligible to join. And our staff will verify the account later, so please remember to take a screenshot and keep proof of your participations. Okay, congratulations to our friend from YouTube for winning the sponsored account. Remember to save the screenshot and contact our staff after the live stream ends. So let's continue. And the next week is Halloween. And we don't know if those in the comment section will celebrate it, but you can still participate in our upcoming activities even if you don't celebrate. And we recently launched our Halloween trader sharing events on Twitter. And we will also be launching other Halloween giveaways events on the Discord community in the future. So we welcome everyone to participate. And the next is we'll move on to the market analysis. And so the core driver of the market this week was the Federal Reserve's monetary policy. And despite the Fed's interest rate cuts, Chairman Powell's hawkish comments after the meeting damped the market sentiment, and he hinted that future rate cuts were not certain, and contradicting previous positive expectations and causing investors to become cautious and triggering a sell-off in high-risk assets such as cryptocurrency. And as usual, we will analyze Bitcoin and Ethereum and altcoins separately. So this week's Bitcoin's decline was partly due to profit taking and a technical correction after the previous rally. And technical analysis shows that Bitcoin is currently holding firm at the K200-day exponential moving average, and which can be considered a bull bear dividing line. And Bitcoin's candlesticks pattern has formed a typical bearish engulfing pattern, so a short-term reversal signal. Simultaneously, the moving average system is in a bearish alignment, and a dash cross has appeared and indicating strong selling pressure. So if it can stabilize and rebound at this store market, conversely, it breaks down a further test technology level of 1,000 USDT, and the strategy suggestions is for short-term trade, monitor the support zone of 106,000 USDT to 107,000 USDT, and exercise caution buying the day before the trend becomes clear, and consider a small short position price rebounds to the resistance 2009, and strictly control position size and orders. And this is for short-term traders suggestions, and for long-term investors, view the current market opportunity to gradually build position on chain data and institutional behavior. Bitcoin's long-term fundamentals remain solid. So dollar averaging or buying touches near key support level, good strategy. And like for Ethereum, the price action is similar to Bitcoin, but it's approaching a key support zone, like 3,700 USDT is a key support level, and decisive break below this level could lead to a further decline to 3,592 USDT for supports. And so the Ethereum layer 2 network has nearly 100 USDT million in analyzed revenue, so with October's monthly revenue exceeding 8 million USDT, and representing a year-to-date growth of 180%. And this directly reflects on strong demand for applications on the Ethereum network, providing strong support for its intrinsic value. And based on the above analysis, my outlook for Ethereum is short-term outlook, and next 1 to 2 weeks, Ethereum is expected to continue fluctuating within the 3,800 USDT to 4,250 USDT range. So price movements will be highly dependent on macroeconomic data and the further interpretations of Federal Reserve policies. So a breakout above 4,250 USDT with significant volume could test 4,500 USDT. And conversely, a breach of the 3,800 USDT support level could lead to a test of 3,600 USDT, so for support. And medium to long-term participative, about next to 3 to 6 months, the outlook is optimistic. So a strong ecosystem revenue, the upcoming consensus IPO, and potential interest rate cut cycle could all act as catalysts for a new upward cycle for Ethereum from the end of this year to early 2026. So, and about trader strategy recommendations for short-term traders, you just need to consider buying low and selling high within the correct trading range, but be sure to control position size and leverage and set stop loss orders. And that's it. And for for those long-term investors. So view the current market pullback as an opportunity to gradually build positions and paying close attention to the support level around 3,800 USDT, and use dollar cost averaging or phase entry strategy to smooth out costs. And the current altcoin market is driven by several core factors. So first factor is about Bitcoin's share of the total cryptocurrency market capitalization and is an important indicator. And the second is macroeconomic politics and liquidity. The Federal Reserve monetary policy remains crucial in influencing the overall market. This is the second factor. And then the third factor is maybe for improve the regulation and infrastructure. So the launch of the first altcoin Ethereum in the US and the SEC's simplifications of rules for crypto and ETFs indicate a more favorable regulate environment, and this removes some obstacles for larger scale institutional entry, and which is a significant positive factor in the long term. So in this week, multiple sources indicated that the altcoin market is facing downward pressure, and a key on-chain indicator is that altcoin inflows into exchange have reached a new annual high, which typically means investors holdings, increasing selling pressure. However, a positive sign is that Bitcoin fell from October 90 twice, and the total capitalization only fell by 3.62%. This relatively resilient performance may suggest that the market is on entirely bearish, and some funds may be looking for opportunities. And in summer, there is disagreement in the market outlook for altcoins, but structural opportunities also exist. In the short term, market sentiment is bearish, and price movements will heavily depend on macroeconomic data and further interpretation of the Federal Reserve's politics, and the total market capitalization of altcoin may continue to face downward pressure. And if Bitcoin can stabilize on attract revenue capital inflows, it could bring some stability to the altcoin market. And from a medium to long-term perspective, the outlook is optimistic. So strong ecosystem development, ongoing institutionals such as Ethereum, and a potential interest rate cut cycle could all be catalysts for altcoin recovery from the end of this year to 2026. And this concludes our market analysis for this period. We hope this analysis helps you better understand the current market. So that's our analysis and some suggestions for our users. And finally, we will answer the question you had during the live stream, because there were many viewers or stuff to replies a bit brief. Please understand. If you need more detailed explanation, you can contact our customer service team one-on-one to discuss it further. And you can text our stuff on our Discord community, or like we will provide a separate explanation during our next live stream. So there is some questions. The first is about can I change my trading account size after registration? So sir, you can change. The account size cannot be changed once the challenge begins. So if you wish to trade with a different account size, you will need to start a new challenge. So the answer is no. And the second is, how do I verify that my traders are being tracked correctly? Well, you can monitor all your trades in real time directly from your personal dashboards, and all trade insiders, profits, and the drawdown data are automatically updated and displayed with full transparency. So that's it. And so now we're going to conduct the final prize draw. Please note that only those who watch the live stream are eligible to participate. And so our staff will review the account later, and after verification, we will announce the winners on our social media channels and in our community. So, okay, I know who's won the prize. So congratulations, sir. You have won a preloaded account. Please save a screenshot and contact our staff after the live stream ends. And that's all for today's live stream. We look forward to seeing you again next week. So happy Halloween, and wish you have a good weekend. Bye-bye.